All right, so as you can see, well, that's weird because our Hisense TV was actually black on this side and working on that side. It has decided to switch suddenly and it's dark on this side and this side. So I've looked at a few fixes online, and I went went into the TV, unscrewed it, did everything, looked at every single cable, see if there's anything loose, broken. Everything looked good. I pulled the whole thing apart. Everything looked good. So there's one other fix that I know of that seems to work a lot, and we're going to go ahead and try it.
Oh, you're going to use that?
We're going to use this. Look at it, Cat. And see if this works. Hopefully. I don't think it's working. Well, it is time we bought a new TV anyway. We wanted to go to 65 inches. We're going from 56 to 65. We all know that 9 inches makes a huge difference. So, time to get a new TV. Screw it.